Are you tired of trying every trick in the book of weight loss, but nothing ever works? Tired of trying out one diet pill after another, one exercise regime to the next, with minimal to no results? Then what you're about to discover will be the life-changing solution you've been waiting for. Flat Belly Tonic is a morning weight loss drink that will give you the weight loss you've always wanted. It's a powerful formula containing a unique blend of ingredients derived from the masterful Japanese island of Okinawa, known to be one of the healthiest regions in the world. Flat Belly Tonic is a powerful powdered drink. You simply mix it with water and drink 1 cup before 10 a.m. every day. Simply put, the tonic is a drink that helps you lose weight. There are 4 major benefits to drinking this tonic. Increased energy. This tonic increases energy levels and makes you feel revitalized and energetic. It helps you have more energy for exercise and physical activity. Improved metabolism. One of the reasons why people gain weight or never lose weight is because of slow metabolism. The tonic improves your metabolism, which increases your body's fat oxidation, and therefore, helps you burn calories faster. You won't even have to change your diet because your body will do the work for you. Improved digestion. The tonic also features probiotics that carry good bacteria that improve your gut health. A healthier digestive system allows you to eliminate toxins from your body better, getting rid of waste, and instantly making you feel lighter and healthier. A healthier digestive system also allows you to absorb nutrients better, so the ingredients in the tonic will work more efficiently for weight loss. Safe and naturally occurring.